I'm not sponsored or paid to say this, but dear, you really need a good bronzer. And now dear, I'm currently here in Bangkok right now and doing my Get Ready With Me video. But I want to highlight this product. This is from Happy Skin X Miss Marge Bronzer. I'm in the shade medium deep, by the way. Dear, oh my god. Sobrang nagmamadali ako going here and hindi na ako nakapag-pack ng maayos. So I brought her brush kit na lang, including my personal brushes for this trip. This brush for your bronzer, oh my god, sobrang perfect niya, dear. As a Morena girl who loves that golden skin fantasy and very, very warm fantasy, it's actually really on a hunt for like a perfect bronzer on my skin. Kasi if you don't know me, I'm olive neutral skin tone. So the bronzer that I need is dapat yung perfect and sakto na color lang. And this one, period. I'm actually medium deep, by the way, so if you're asking, yeah. And what I like about this, hindi siya patchy on my skin, hindi niya nabubutas yung base ko, and hindi siya muddy. Muddy Perez. Check. I just really, really love it. Yeah, yun lang. Bye. Mwah.